This is Ron Period Cash Sets, the Financial Morpheus, welcoming you to another transaction at the Bank of Immobiliare, where we bank with a plan to bank on demand. This is breaking news. It's just been announced. Corporate America is officially dying. It's being kept alive on life support by those of you that are on the 40-40-40 scam. That means you work 40 hours a week for 40 years of your life to retire and live off 40% of your income, otherwise known as a job. Better yet known as standing for just over broke. Now, if you're looking for a solution to this problem and you're ready to pull the cord on corporate America, well, I might be able to help you with that. I'm going to talk to you right now about a company that's going to be a solution to your problem. Motor Club of America. We've been in business since 1926. We're providing over $150,000 of benefits because we're an insurance benefits company. Here's just a list of a few of those benefits. Unlimited towing up to 100 miles. Everybody who has a car needs that. If you need a battery jump, if you get a flat tire, guess what? You're going to need Motor Club of America. Why? Because, like I just said, you need a battery jump, you get a flat tire. If you have a vehicle, at some point in time, you'll be faced with these problems, especially if you're not one of those people that's really good at, battery jumping or, fixing a flat. Also, we give you travel discounts. If you want to go stay in a nice hotel, we can help you with that. We also give you discounts on maintenance with a bunch of different companies. Also, if you need legal issues, we provide bail bond coverage. Bet you didn't see that one coming, right? Now, I'm not saying you're going to get in any legal trouble. I'm not assuming you're a criminal, so don't take this the wrong way. But if you needed legal representation, if something took place, Motor Club of America can definitely assist you with that issue at a discounted rate. Now, we provide a lot of different benefits, all right? But I want to get to that other part, of getting corporate America out of your pocket. We have an agent referral program, all right? So if you were looking at making a major move, you might want to listen to this part right here. We pay $80 to $90 commission for anyone that refers someone to our benefits and service. We pay for sales. It's just that simple, all right? So if someone purchases our package, we'll pay you for it. Just makes sense, right? It's not that complicated. And I'm going to break that down for you right now, all right? $80 to $90 for the sale of our $19.95, $29.95, and $39.95 package. Not a bad deal. For the sale of our $14.95 package, we're paying $60 commissions. For the $9.95 package, we're paying $40 commissions. Straight pay. Now, do we also have an additional bonus that comes along with that? Yes. If you sell over 5 sales in a week, that's where that $90 part comes in. You get a bonus, all right? Over 5 sales a week, you get kicked up to $90. Now, here's a quick breakdown, all right? In addition to that, let me mention this though, all right, before I get to that part. We're also going to pay you every week. Every Friday is payday. How good is that? If you get a sale one week, you get paid that following Friday, all right? So you can do the basic math and just basically write your own check. Figure out how much money you're going to make, because let's be real. 10 sales in Motor Club of America is $840. 20 sales is $1,850. 30 sales is $2,820. You notice how I'm giving you exact numbers? Keep in mind that bonus kicks in when you get over 5 sales. Now, let's say you're in a scenario where you hate your job, you hate the hourly wage. Let's say you're only making $10 to $12 an hour. 2 sales in Motor Club of America a day. 2. That's $160. Divide that by your 8 hours that you work on the job, and guess what that comes out to? $20 an hour. All right? $160 divided by 8 hours is $20 an hour. You just gave yourself a raise. Congratulations. You're officially a genius. All right? If you're tired of multi-level marketing schemes, algebraic equations, percentages, and all of that factoring into your paycheck, then you probably will want to take a look at Motor Club of America. Straight pay compensation plan. We pay for sales, and we pay 200% commissions. All right? Where else can you go and get 200% commissions? No place but Motor Club of America. We've been getting it done since 1926. So we have been in business quite some time. You're not going to wake up tomorrow and Motor Club of America be out of business. Can't say the same about some companies, but I can say that about Motor Club of America. So, if you're interested in some additional bonuses, let me tell you about our Platinum Matrix. Alright? It's only $79 to join, $39 a month. And we have a 3x8 Force Matrix with spillover sales that tops out at over $98,000 plus a month. That's residual. That's a payday at the end of the month that you can count on in addition to our weekly compensation plan. You're just making money all around the table. If you really think about it, it makes a lot of sense. Keep in mind, those exact figures I'm throwing at you, much better than what some of these other companies have mentioned, because they don't like to talk about their compensation plan, because the majority of these companies are not putting the money on the table like Motor Club of America. So, what are you waiting for? Alright? I mean, let's be honest. It's only $40 to join Motor Club of America to get your benefits of $150,000 worth of benefits. You can't beat that. And to sustain it, it's only $19 a month. That's not bad. Alright? When you look at a major business opportunity, where else can you go and get these kind of numbers thrown at you for only 40 bucks? I mean, seriously, $40 and you can make a six-figure income? Come on. You said you wanted to get out of corporate America, right? You're tired of the 40-40-40 scam, right? Well, I'm giving you your solution. This is Ron Perio Cash Sets, the Financial Morpheus. And I'm telling you that you need to click that link and get started. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. Procrastination isn't just a thief of time. It's a thief of income. You're waiting while somebody else is out here making money every day. Corporate America is already showing you what it's going to do for you. 40 hours a week, 40% of your income is what you're going to be living off of, and you're going to have to go 40 years to get to that. Why would you put 40 years of your life into something like that? Just doesn't make a lot of sense to me, therefore it can't make dollars. Motor Club of America makes sense, therefore it can make dollars. Click the link, start, join with Immobiliari, and I guarantee you, one thing we'll be doing that other people won't be doing is not wasting time, therefore we won't be wasting money. Let's get started. I'll get you your training. It's free information. I mean, what do you have to lose, right? $150,000 in benefits waiting on you right now. Immobiliari Boss. Click the link. Let's get started. Motor Club of America. We got the whole internet yelling vroom vroom.